In this problem, we are asked which of the following statements are true, and it's a select all that apply. We are asked to solve by factoring completely. So let's go ahead and solve the quadratic equation by factoring completely, and then we'll take a look at our choices. We would first need to subtract 15x from both sides to get the equation equal to 0. So it's 6x squared minus 15x minus 21 equals 0. Since we have to factor completely, we need to look for a GCF of 6x squared minus 15x and minus 21. The GCF of these terms is 3. That will leave us with 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now I'll just factor by guess and check. So I know my first times my first would have to make 2x squared. So I'll do 2x and x. My signs are different, so I'll try a positive and a negative. The factors of 7 are 7 and 1, so I will try 7 and 1 right here. Let's check this just to make sure that it FOILs out. So that would be 2x squared minus 2x plus 7x minus 7. Oh, it looks like we got a positive 5x, which is opposite of what we wanted. That's an indicator that we need to go and switch our signs. So this was a plus, so we're going to make it a minus. This was a minus, we'll make it a plus. Now let's see what that does when we go to FOIL. So we will have 2x squared plus 2x minus 7x minus 7. Now we have the correct sign of negative 5x. Okay, we can now apply the zero product property. So we'll do 2x minus 7 equals 0. And x plus 1 equals 0. So we'll get x equals 7 over 2 because we add 7, divide by 2, and x is negative 1. All right, let's take a look at our choices. So the GCF is 3x. That is false. That negative 21 did not have an x with it, so we cannot use 3x as the GCF of all three terms. There are two real solutions is true. We ended up with 7 over 2 and negative 1, and both of those are real. One of the solutions is x equals negative 1 is true. 2x minus 7 is a factor is true. That was one of the factors that we used.